You can't even describe it physically because it was too big, too chaotic. It was a cataclysmic release, and it released back into the city in 10 seconds in each case. You can't even describe it.
Thinking about our younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You can make a man back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love it.